In this video, I am going to show you how to change your voice on Discord. In this tutorial, there is a lot of tools that you can use to change your voice on Discord like iMyFone Magic Mic, Hitbull Voice Changer, Adobe Audition, Audios for Fun, etc. But we're gonna use Wondershare Demo Creator. To do so, head to the website of the Demo Creator Wondershare and download the application. Once you've installed the voice changer for Discord on your voice, double-click on the application and access the interface. Now, open your Discord and make sure not to close the voice changing tool, which won't happen if it's not running in the background. Look for your username at the bottom left corner of the Discord window. Click on it to open the drop-down menu, and then select User Settings. From there, choose Voice and Video. This will open Discord's voice settings where you can adjust your voice settings. In the voice settings, locate the Input Device section. This section displays the default microphone or input device which is being used by Discord. Click on the small arrow next to Input Device to reveal a drop-down menu. From there, select Demo Creator Voice Changer application and then click Apply and your voice will be changing on Discord. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.